Some of you are spending money, really good money, on artwork that sucks life out of your soul instead of feeds it. If you're going to spend hundreds, thousands, or more dollars on artwork, and you have all the choices in the world of all kinds of artwork, why would you spend money on something that's going to take from your soul and the life and the environment around you, and has the ability to affect the people that are come into your house or your business or wherever the artwork is hung? And instead buy artwork that either does nothing for you, it just looks nice, artwork that sucks energy out of you, or artwork that actually feeds your soul, those who come into your environment, and transforms your space. If that was me, I would think that my money would much rather be spent on artwork that would affect me positively and the energy that's in my space. And there are lots of artists out there that do that, including mine. So if you are that type of person that wants to have more energy, that wants to have more life, that wants to feel good, consider what artwork you're hanging on your walls and the things that you place in your space. And if you want something that gives life back to you, check out mine, victoriousartworks.com. VICTORIOUS artworks.com. This is Stephanie, and I hope that you get artwork that transforms your space, your mind, your body, your all around. Thanks for listening.